big boy is back.
Hey, wait.
Yeah, how are you, boy? How are you?
Yeah, welcome. You're shining like the Oyibo.
Thank you, Father. And you too. Everyone is looking all good.
You're welcome.
Wow.
Let's go inside. Let's go inside. No, now I got it. Hey.
Wow.
My son,
Father.
how was your trip?
It was hectic, I must say.
What made it hectic?
First we got our flight delayed, and then we got, turbulent airborne, but it's all good. It was hectic generally.
Well, it's sometimes like that.
Exactly.
And, it's one of those flight hazards. You can't take it away.
Exactly that. And then when we got to Moscow, I got my luggage misplaced, but later on I got it back.
Thank God.
Exactly.
Thank God.
So, Mom, how are you?
I'm good, as you can see, and everything is going on well, apart from the fact that I really missed you.
I missed you too, Mom. I missed everyone. I missed you, and I missed my dad.
Hey, I've been expecting that from you because you cannot be missing everybody without mentioning that you missed your dad.
That's crazy.
Why are we wasting time? Please go and get the dining. We should go and get the dining.
That reminds me, celebration time.
Kitchen and dining. Oh, my son. Thank God you are finally back home.
Thank you, Father.
Yes. And from here, every other thing will be taking shape.
Of course, man. Home sweet home.
My giant son. Chop knuckle.
Really?
Yes.
Who taught you that?
That thing was once a
rolling stone, Dad.
Very, very soft.
Trust your wife. I know how to cook.
I trust you. It's like I'm man alone here. It's like I am man alone here. Mommy and Dorothy, Hilda and Mommy.
You and this empty.
No problem, that is good.
We are.
Baby. What of your friend Jeff?
Oh, he's upstairs.
Oh. Okay. Life is good. Life is good. Those are examples of my younger old days.
Bro, I'm sorry, but I have to tell you this. I prefer to be honest with you.
Jeff, I still don't believe you. Whatever games you're trying to play,
You have to be really careful with me. I don't trust you one bit. Listen to me. You're my friend. And I can't lie to you. You can make inquiries on your own. I mean, you can make inquiries to every bit of the words I say to you. Trust me.
My son, you promised us that when you get back home, you will fix your wedding.
Yes, Father, I said so.
But why haven't you said anything concerning it since you came back?
I haven't forgotten what I said, and definitely I'm going to do that very soon. Just I'm trying to put one or two things together, and once I'm done, I'll kick off.
Please, you have to be fast about it. I can't wait to carry my grandchild.
Sure, Mom, I will. Very soon.
It's okay. I trust and I believe you.
Where's the place?
That's nice.
Thank you.
Oh, who's that calling?
Oh, that's my cousin.
Pick up your call.
I don't want to take the call. Each time he calls, he asks for money.
Take up your calls.
Hello?
Where are you?
I'm in my girlfriend's house.
Your girlfriend's house.
Hello?
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 Hello, I can hear you.
Hi. I can hear you. I will call you back. I think the network is very poor here. Hi.
Hello?
So,
Your girlfriend's house.
yes. I'm sorry. That's what I am supposed to tell him. If not, he will ask for money. I don't have any money here.
Do you want him to smell what?
Don't even go there.
So, this is your girlfriend's house, yeah?
Why?
Talk to me, I'll forget this. Are you mad?
Take it easy.
Are you mad?
Take it easy. Come on.
Hey, Steve! Don't you know you're talking to my wife?
Hey, Felix.
Hey!
Stop!
Hold it there. Did you say your wife? We are not yet married. I don't even know why you keep following me up and down as if I'm a child. Please allow me to live my life.
Okay. Fine. It's a good thing you just said it now. Suit yourself then. Let's go.
Oh. Hold it. You're married, right?
No, I am not. Henry, I just need to explain this to
Keep
you.
your explanations to yourself, eh?
Henry.
Excuse
No,
me.
no, hold on.
Don't
I need
even
to
come
explain.
closer. Excuse me, please.
Henry, hold on. We're not done. Henry, please don't. No. Henry, you can't do this.
Please calm down. I don't know why women are like this.
Ah.
I don't know why
Women!
Fuck!
Ah.
Please just calm down.
Babe, welcome. What is wrong with you?
Don't worry, I'll be fine.
You'll be fine. You won't be fine. Talk to me. What is wrong?
Linda, I said I am fine.
Joycey, I'm your friend. You can always tell me anything. Talk to me. What is it?
Felix saw I and Henry together.
What did you just say?
You heard me, Linda. I am not in the right frame of mind to start answering questions over and over again, please.
Oh, babe, this is bad news. This is...
But there is one thing I don't understand. Why would that boy be following me up and down as if I'm a child?
But wait, what did Henry do about it?
Of course, he was angry. He's a human being.
No, this is real bad. So what are you going to do about it now?
I don't know. Henry is a human being. And of course, he was upset. But now, I don't know what to do. Just...
Oh, babe, this is bad.
Can you stop being moody? You're breaking my heart.
I'm not like this because I don't want you to travel. But I am going to miss you.
Of course I'll miss you too.
How do I cope without you for good 2 years?
I know. Same here. I don't even know how I'm going to survive it.
I want you to promise me one thing.
Okay.
That you will always be there for me.
Of course, baby. I'll always be there for you. There is nothing that will stop me from being there for you.
Felix.
Baby.
Let's take an oath.
An oath?
Yes. An oath that will bind us together forever.
Baby. I know. Our love is so strong. And what I feel for you, you feel for me. But then, I feel we can do all of this without taking an oath.
But they said white women.
But there is nothing wrong with white women. Who are they? They can never be compared to the love I have for you. I just feel what we have, we can build it stronger without taking an oath. No one is comparable to you.
I love you.
I love you more. It's okay, stop crying. I'm not going to stay there forever. I'll be back. It's okay. Why are women like this? Huh? What haven't I done for this girl? Just 2 years. Just 2 years she couldn't wait for me. Why? A woman I have given all my heart to. A woman I have done so much for. No. Or is it because I refused to take the oath? Why are most black women like this? Why? Is it just to go back to abroad and just marry a white woman? Even the white woman it's not even perfect. This is too much for me. Oh my God. What's all this now? What's
What? Not picking. Okay, you know what? Maybe just let him be for now. And I don't want to lose him. want to see.
Okay.
I don't want to see.
Okay, I understand how you feel. I guess he's still mad at you for what happened now. Just let him cool off, then call him later. So, thank you. Just calm. Everything will be fine.
I don't want to listen.
I know. I know.
Let me call him again. I don't want to lose
Let him be for now.
I don't want to lose him, Linda.
You won't listen.
I don't want to lose him.
You won't.
Come inside. Is Felix in?
Yes, he's in.
Please go and tell him that I'm here.
I don't understand.
Just go and tell him that I'm here.
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
Joyce, are you having issues with your brothers?
What did he say?
He said he doesn't want to see you, and moreover, I shouldn't let you.
Please, can I go in and see him?
The fact is that I can't comprehend the kind of drama you guys are playing here. What is really going on?
The thing is that we had a little misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding? Well, you have to start going. When he's calm, you can come back and talk to him. Okay.
Yeah, Vincent. Your girlfriend came around this morning looking for you.
Why was she looking for me? Did you just ask that question?
Yes.
Because I made it clear to her that everything we had is over. So why was she looking for me?
Come on, bro. Come on. You can't just break up with that lady. Come on. Why would you break up with her? Why?
Guy, see, if not that we are friends, I would have taken you to be an homosexual.
What? How are you even sure he's not?
Now I see the both of you are sick in head. But that's a true fact. Yes, it's a true fact. Okay, let me ask you this. Ever since you became an adult, have you ever made love with a woman?
Of course, you should know the answer to that.
Come on. Guys. Can we please talk about something else? So how do you want to convince her that you do not do that? I don't!
Come on, Vincent. Sincerely speaking, if there's anything wrong with you, just tell us. We're your friends. Let's know what to do.
There is nothing wrong with me. So if there's no problem, then tell me, are you a Christian? Like, are you a born-again Christian? Are you a pastor or even a cultist? Which one of them? Tell me. The two of you are making me so uncomfortable right now. But if you must know, I do not engage in premarital sex. Never. I was a virgin, and I could still remember vividly that I never felt the same way. Even though I felt a little bit afraid the first day I wanted to make out with the lady, but I still did my stuff.
So what exactly are you insinuating? Are you trying to tell me Vincent is still a virgin?
From all indication, I think he is.
I don't believe you, bro. How old do you think he is?
Come on, bro. I'm not talking about years here.
No, come on. I still don't believe you. You see, for a woman up to 20 to 25, they can still be a virgin, but not for a man. Men are highly so energetic.
Okay, so what could be the problem? No, what could be the problem?
Well, let Judy comes around. Let's try to find out what exactly the problem is. Then we pick it up from there. Don't worry. As soon as Judy arrives, we'll try to find out what the problem is. Okay?
Hello, guys.
Oh, sweet. How you doing?
Fine.
Hi.
Hi. Where is your not man enough friend?
Oh, come on. This is why we invited you here.
I'm sorry to disappoint you, Michael. You see Vincent, to hell with him.
Oh, see, Judith, we can understand how you feel. But,
please, I'm so sorry. I can't go back to Vincent. Excuse me. Judith. Is that why you guys called me here?
It's okay. It's okay. Relax. It's okay. See, we actually have a plan.
Yes.
We're trying to see if,
I'm sorry. I can't be part of a plan. I can look for someone else. I'm not interested.
Well, it's okay then. No problem. It's okay. It's fine. I mean, why is she furious?
I told you this. I told you.
Cheat! Shameless cheat! I don't want to ever see you in this house again. If I see you here, I will kill you. Shameless cheat. Mom, please, stay out of this. Etuk! Sir. I don't want to ever see this girl here again. If I see her, I'll sack you. Now get out.
Sam, talk to me. What is the problem?
Get there, girl. Let me see you.
Felix! What is the problem? Eh? What is the problem?
Do you still need an explanation?
Huh? Are you aware of anything?
Mommy, you heard him say cheat. It's obvious you cheated on him.
Cheat?
Yeah, what? Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Come on, come on, my sister. Get my sister. Are you mad? Leave me alone! Get my sister! Leave my sister! Leave my sister! Leave my sister! Have you come back?
Hey! Are you mad?
What's it? Mother, are you okay?
Are you okay?
Just imagine that if I wasn't passing through this road, this boy would have raped my sister. What? That he got! I swear, if I catch that boy, I will kill him!
It's okay.
Amanda!
It's okay. Are you hot?
Sorry, okay?
What nonsense. Sorry.
Don't worry. He will pass this road again. If I catch that boy! Yeah!
It's
Amanda.
Okay. It's okay.
Sorry.
Sorry, okay?
Sorry. Thank God he didn't rape you. Thank God. Sorry, my sister. Sorry.
It's alright.
Hey.
You're fine, right?
I have told my mother.
You sure?
Thank you.
Sorry. Are you sure you're fine?
Sorry.
What kind of stupid act is that? How can a man be forcing himself on a woman?
The rumor has been going around that he has semi-madness. But I don't believe it. I don't believe it one bit. Because, you see what he just did now? If I catch him, if I see him anywhere, that is mad that will leave him.
It's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay, you're still panting. Sorry.
Sorry, please.
Sorry, okay?
Sorry. Let's go.
Sorry.
So, young man, who are you, please?
I'm Felix. I'm from this village. The son of Mark Iweze.
Oh, Felix,
Yeah.
the one that has been living overseas?
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Felix, you're welcome. So how are your parents?
Yeah, they're fine. So can I kindly drop you guys off if you don't mind?
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Oh, thank you. Let's this way, please.
Thank you very much, oh. God bless you. No, everything you have done for my family and I, we cannot thank you enough. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
For everything, we appreciate you. God bless you.
Bless you too, Mama, but you don't need to thank me. You see, rape is one thing I detest so much, and I cannot be alive to see someone trying to, force himself on a woman. That is completely absurd.
You see?
Okay, so I believe with the step we've taken so far, he would definitely come to his senses.
One, you see, the reasons some people say he's a madman. Some others say he's not mad. But which one will we believe with someone behaving in that manner? It was not the mad.
Well, whatever. I believe once they are done dealing with him, he would definitely realize that it's uncalled for doing such a thing.
I don't want. Thank you so much.
It's okay, Mama. You don't need to thank me.
Mama, do you remember him?
No, I've been trying to place his face, but I can't remember where I've met him before.
Mark Iweze's son, the one that traveled to Bodo Ibo.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Hey, this one is just like the mother. How about your parents?
They're fine, Mama. They're fine.
I'm watching you to see. Welcome,
Thank you, Ma. Thank you. Thank you.
And let's get you something to eat.
No, Mama, I'm fine. I'm cool with the water, honestly. I went to the village yesterday.
You mean you went to the village?
Yeah. I purposely went there to see if I can get a woman for myself,
Don't tell me you want to marry a village girl.
Truth be told, bro, village girls seems to be the best.
From the way you're sounding, you seem to have seen one already.
Well, I can't really say yes, because I haven't made my intentions known to her. Not her parents, but as it stands now, I've seen someone. So far, so good.
So good. That's interesting. I wish you all the best.
Thank you. So I heard when your mother called you Ami.
That was how my father calls me when he was alive.
That's sweet.
Thank you.
May his gentle soul rest in peace.
Amen.
So I want to ask you.
What?
Do you like me? Do you think I am good enough for you?
Yes. Because I already like your personality.
Thank you. Well, from the first day I saw you, I got attracted to you. something in me, whispered to me that you are the right person for me.
Thank you.
I like your personality too.
Thank you.
Stop being like that.
So this is the message.
This is beautiful.
Yes, I can't wait for church. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Again,
please be the mother of my children.
Come on, Anna.
I'm so happy for you.
Wait, now decoration.
Babe. For the past 1 week, you've refused to eat anything. What's the problem?
Felix pushed me out of his house.
Did you go there?
I went there the next day after the incident.
And he pushed you out?
Yes. And he has someone else already.
What?
That is not the problem now. The major problem now is that Henry has broken up with me too.
Why did you call me here? Excuse me. Why did you call me here?
Can we go in and sit?
I can't go inside.
Henry, I know I have offended you.
Did you come here to start telling me all this rubbish? Joycey, how could you? How could you? You practically lied in front of me, telling me he was your cousin that called you. Only for me to see a man who claimed to be your husband walked up to me and embarrassed me.
Felix is not my husband.
I don't care if he's your husband or not. Okay, for your information, this wouldn't work between us. And if you try calling my phone again, you'll get it hot from me. Okay? Rubbish. Cheap slut.
I don't get it. Are you trying to tell me now that both men are gone?
So, Linda.
Shh.
I'm not in Konyego by you.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand. My friend. Maybe they are not meant for you.
They are not meant for me. Nah, brother. Linda, I am not getting younger. I'm growing old.
I know. Same way these two came. Another will still come. You just have to take things easy. Don't kill yourself over this. Please. Don't want you falling sick.
My son.
Good, sir. Good day. You are welcome, my daughter. Thank you.
My daughter, you are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Sit. Sit down, sit down. Sit down. So Dad, Mom, she's the girl I told you about. She's from our village.
Wow. Nne, you are welcome once again.
Thank you, ma.
Hi, she's so beautiful.
Thank you. My daughter, we've been expecting to see you. Who is your father in this our village?
Sir, my father's name is Mr. Julius Okocha.
Julius Okocha. Julius Okocha. Oh, I know him. You are the daughter of Julius Okocha. Oh, my dear, you are welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Nam, you have an eye for a good thing. Nke otin dead. You say that again, father. Nehowa.
Yo. Oh, yeah, he comes. I hope you're all ready. Good to see you, man. Yeah. I'm good. Good to see you. Like I said, tomorrow's my birthday. Yeah. I hope you're ready. You know, I don't want the fancy celebration. No, I just want to flex. I hope babes will be around that day. Of course. I knew you were going to see that. Anyway, we have the super pimp here. Yeah. We have you covered. Trust me, bro. All plans are intact. Your celebration is going to be the best in town. Trust me. See, I don't really like the way you just put it. Oh, look at the way you just put it now. As if you're not also a man. Come on. I don't understand. When will you realize that babes are meant for us to flex with? Huh?
wherever there is carcass, vultures are always around. And what's that supposed to mean? No, because I don't get. Hey, do I look like a vulture to you? Let's have fun, guys.
Baby. I'm going out. And I don't want you to go today.
Oh, baby. I have to go. My mother and my sister are expecting me today.
Oh. I just want you to stay around. I mean, seeing your pretty face all the time is enough for me.
Baby, please. I have to go. If I stay back, it's going to affect my plans for the whole day. And you know our wedding is in less than 2 months. Come on. It's just to go and put things in place.
Okay, so can you at least wait for me to drop you off when I come back?
No, baby. It's going to affect my day. The earlier the better. You'll see me soon. Why are you acting like I'm going forever?
Of course. That's how I feel, like you're going forever. Okay. Alright, in that case, here, for your cab.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
I'll take care of you, okay?
And you too, come when you get home.
I will.
Maduanya, she's trying to stop the... Once you stop, you carry on. Pick up. Be smart, be smart.
Okay, I'm going to the junction. Okay, yeah, you're going there.
Yeah, move. Move!
I was trying to reach you before you now drove in. Amanda's mother called. She said Amanda has not returned since morning.
How? So you need my money for taxi now? How is that possible? Her number is switched off. You're
could she have been to? I don't know. I don't know. Try it again. Same thing. This is serious.
What could be the problem?
I don't know.
It's not going through.
Mama, it's not connecting.
What is it saying? Not available, not connecting, or switched off? What is the number actually saying? Why is it not going through?
It's saying switched off.
Hey! God, rescue my daughter. Rescue my daughter. In fact, call Felix. Instead, call his number.
I already called him twice. He said they are still looking for her.
When you're in under tension like this, do you count how many times you call somebody? Call him now. Maybe he has the latest news.
Mama, I cannot call Felix again. It's not even ringing. I've been calling him since now.
What did I do to deserve this? What did I do? Give me, let me try. Give me.
What's really going on? How could Amanda make such a move? Where on earth could she have gone to?
Honestly, I am seriously confused. Where exactly could she be?
No, this is strange. This is strange.
Why are you crying?
Amanda, what is it? Why are you crying? What is the problem?
Amanda, your wedding is around the corner. You should be busy with the wedding preparations. Instead of sitting here crying.
What is it? You're scaring us. What is it?
Mama.
Yes.
Yes.
I am pregnant.
What? You are what?
What?
I don't know what to do. I can't do this alone. I have to tell Felix. I can't hide it from him. I don't know what to do.
Amanda, tell me you're joking.
Mama, I am not.